If you're running a growing business, you already know how critical inventory management is and how frustrating it can be. Whether you're a small team scaling up or a large company tired of overpaying for bloated ERP software, Finale Inventory gives you the control and flexibility you need without the complexity or high cost. Finale Inventory is the smarter way to manage stock, whether you sell online, in-store, or both. Managing 100 or even thousands of SKUs? Finale can handle it. From small shops to multi-warehouse operations, Finale has the power to keep your business running smooth. Imagine losing a big sale because of a stock out or spending hours fixing errors that could have been avoided. Finale prevents that. You'll always know what's in stock, where it's located, and what needs to be reordered before it becomes a problem. Bring your purchasing, inventory, and sales into one connected system. Choose from over 50 of Finale's integrations to connect to the tools you already use, like Amazon, Shopify, QuickBooks Online, and shipping tools, so your data flows automatically and your team stays efficient. Use mobile barcode scanning to save hours on efficient receiving, picking, and transferring stock with fewer errors. With smart alerts, reports, and team-wide visibility, everyone stays aligned even as your business grows. When you need support, you'll talk to real humans, our in-house pros, no outsourcing, no scripts. Finale Inventory, the smarter way to track, manage, and scale.